Okay, good morning. Let's do exercise 6, day 155 on page 350 and 351. It's just the 2 pages today. All right, it says working with a ruler. So in this lesson, we've been learning about the use of charts, graphs, and number lines, seeing how they help us picture numbers in relation with other numbers. In our last 2 exercises, we focused on number lines, which are extremely helpful in enabling us to see where numbers are in relation to other in a linear fashion, linear meaning line. Charts and graphs are extremely helpful in real life. Over the rest of this lesson, we're going to explore some tools that are like number lines and help us measure objects. So in this exercise, we're going to work with a ruler. So make sure you have a good ruler that shows inches, half inches, quarter inches, and 1/8 inches. So probably most any ruler that you have is going to show this one. I don't know if you can see it. I hope my microphone's working. I'll have to check. Anyway, I got this little clear ruler right here, and it's got inches up here, it's got centimeters here, but within the inches, it's got all those little tiny marks too, so that's what you'll need. So pretty much any ruler that we have. Now, with a red pen, circle all of the inch marks. So you're going to circle the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 with a red pen. Okay? Those are the whole inch marks. Okay? Now with a blue pen, you're going to circle all of the 1/4 or quarter inch marks. All right, now I don't know how I'm going to do this because I can't see me. Okay, the quarter inch marks. Now let me see if I can move my camera. I know sometimes this is weird, but I have to do it sometimes. Okay, so it's really hard for me to see this. I don't know if you can see it. Now, okay, so here's your whole mark. There's your whole inch. Okay, we know that this bigger one in between here, or the sort of bigger one here, we know that, I don't know if you can see, that's half. This is half. Okay, so if that's half, this is half of half, or 1/4. So this one here, the third biggest, I guess you might say. You see the 0 mark right here. It doesn't say 0, but it would be 0. And the 1. Okay? Now you see the halfway mark between there. That's 2/4. Okay? Look to the left of it and you'll see the third biggest mark, which is 1/4. Circle that one with your blue pen or marker, whatever you have, on all of them. So this is 1/4 of an inch. This would be 1 1/4 inch. Okay, this is 2 1/4 inch. 3 1/4 inch. 4 1/4 inch. 5 1/4. 6 1/4. 7 1/4. 8 1/4. 9, you can't really get to it. It's kind of in the corner there. All right, now it says with a black pen, this is number 3, draw a star near all of the half-inch marks. Okay, half-inch marks are easy. That's going to be these right here, half-inch. So somewhere like right below it, you're going to draw a star. And this is half. This is half. You can see the half marks. Half, 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 and half. Okay, so just draw a star and half marks. Now it says, with a green pencil, circle all of the 1/8 inch marks between inch 3 and 4. All right, so we're going to look up here. Here's inch 3 and 4. Okay, now if 1/4 is half of a half, and it comes between the whole and the half, that's 1/4. Okay, what do you think 1/8 is? 1/8 is a half of the half of the half. Okay? So put your pencil on the 3. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. Put your pencil on the 3. Okay? Right next to the 3, there's a little mark. And then right next to that one is a little tiny bit bigger mark. And then right next to that is another short mark. And then right next to that is the longer mark, which was the 1/4. So 1/8 is half of a fourth. Remember, 1/4 is half of a half. So 1/8 is a half of the fourth. So this right here, this is 1/8. So it says with a green pencil, circle this one. This is 1/8, but we have to circle all of the 8s in between inch 3 and 4. Because remember, if you're doing fourths, there's 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Well, guess what? With 8s, there's 1/8, there's 2/8, there's 3/8, there's 4/8. What do you think 4/8 is? 4/8 is a half. Then you're going to have 5/8, 6/8, and 7/8, and then 8/8 would be the next whole number, which we want to circle that. Okay, so this one, circle this one if you can see it. It's the one between the 3 and the 4th. Circle that one with green, so that's 1/8. Now 2/8 is the next one on the other side of the 4th. That's the same size. It comes between 3 and 1/4 and 3 1/2. Because remember, an 8 is half of a fourth. So that's 2/8. 3/8 comes next. That's not right. Let's see. 1, 2, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. 4/8. That's not right. Maybe I told you wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess it is the little line. I told you wrong, and I apologize. I thought these were 8s. I don't know what those are then. The little tiny lines then would be the 8s. And the only reason I know that is because there's 8 of them in there. So right beside the 3, you see the little tiny mark? That would be 1/8. And then skip over the other mark, and then there's 2/8s, and then there's 3/8s, and then there's 4/8s, which is close to half, and then 5/8s, 6/8s, 7/8s, and then 8/8 would be the 4, which you want to circle that. So circle those little ones there, the 8s. Okay. How long is this whole line on number 5? Can you measure it? I don't have it in front of me. I don't have the answer in front of me. Okay, I'm going to pull this up here now. Okay, so you should measure number 5. On number 6, it says draw a 2 3/4 inch line starting right there on that little star. So you're going to go all the way over to the 2 inch. And remember, 3/4 is the bigger line just past the half. It's between the half and the next hole. Okay. Then it says on number 7, 8, and 9, you're supposed to come tell me something. Show your teacher the 1/4 inch marks on your ruler, and then show me 6 5/8 inches, and then tell me how many 1/8 inch marks are on your ruler and why. So on number 7, 8, 9, you can come and tell me those things. I'm probably going to be busy with the babies, but afterwards you can. And whenever you tell them to me, you can just check mark those things, okay? But you'll probably have to remind me what you're doing because I'm not going to remember. All right, okay, mixed review. So 10, 11, and 12. This is what we did yesterday. These are the negative numbers, remember, because the smaller number comes first, okay? And then 13 is the number line, 14 is the number line. Okay, so use the following circle chart to answer the questions 15 through 21. How many students chose? Now on number 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19, it says how many students. It doesn't ask percentage. You are going to have to figure out by the percentage how many students that is. So let me get over here so I can be reminded of how you do that, because I don't remember. I think I know. So, all right, now look at the title of that chart. Report topics of 150 students. Okay, so there's 150 students total. So on number 17, how many students chose to do a report on an apologetics or worldview topic? Okay, so there's 150 students. We know that. Okay, and then see, no, that's not, I wouldn't do that. I don't know what I'm thinking. So how many apologetics? Okay, so that's 20%, right? Okay, so then that means it wants to know how many students that is. So it would be this, 20% of 150, because there's 150 students. And 20% of those chose to do the apologetics. So to figure 20% of 150, remember what of means? It means times. Okay, and then also you'll have to get rid of this and make it into a decimal. So really it's going to be 0.20 times 150, and that will be your answer. That'll be how many students. So you'll do that on number 18 and 19 also. Now, on number 20, it says how much is the total percentage of all the topics shown on the graph. Just add up all of the percents. Just 44 plus 6 plus 20 plus 30. Just add it up. And then which topic would you choose, and you just put the answer, okay? All right. If you have any trouble, or if all that working with the ruler you couldn't see it, I should have made a copy and put it on the screen, but I didn't think about it. But if you need help on that, you're going to have to come tell me, okay? Because I want you to do that, and I want you to do it well. And that's all for today.